Hey everybody, Greg here with another quick 5-minute or less photo edit. I'm in Snapseed again with a picture I took years and years and years ago on an old Canon 20D. What I'm going to do first of all is, and it was an 8 megapixel camera, so this is really low, really old JPEG, just not great. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to increase my ambience a bit. I'm going to see how that looks. And probably my contrast as well, just a little bit more on the ambience front, I think. I'll leave it about there. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to change my white balance. I think we can get this looking a little bit better. Ooh. I'll make that more blue, and I think pull out some of the purples a bit more. Cool, I like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and use the drama tool. Now I always find that this is a bit too it's a bit too significant for me when it's kind of just in its normal loaded state, and increase that saturation quite a bit there now. So like that, I think that's pretty cool. So what I want to do is I want to go in using my brush tool, and I want to paint in some highlights here in the clouds. Now this was like, I think this could have been like an 800-second exposure. I'm trying to remember, it was years ago. So these clouds were streaking past over the course of many minutes, and this was way after sunset. So this was a really long exposure. My sensor got lovely and warm, which is why we have, but this area here we got all this grain as well. But remember, it's only an 8 megapixel camera, early days of digital, and it was an absolute beast. I'm gonna go in and paint up the top of this hill here as well, and probably give that a little bit by way of saturation as well, just to make it a little bit more colorful as well. And this is never going to be used as a high resolution image or anything. I might apply a small bit of vignette, which may help just a small bit. Sorry, and let me see how we're looking. Like that. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with my brush. I'm going to paint in some burn areas to make parts of this cloud formation just stand out just a little bit more. And now, an awful lot of the time, what you can see, I'll zoom out and I'll show you here. Because I've burned these areas which have quite a bit of color in them, I've actually increased the saturation on them a little bit, especially in this area here. You can see if I go across that, yeah, I'm increasing saturation as well as making it darker. So that's something to bear in mind. Sometimes you will have to go back over and desaturate them a little bit, which is quite easy, but in this case we don't have to. And I'm gonna go in and just do 1 or 2 bright highlights really quickly. The areas which would be the brightest, creates a little bit more depth. Just don't go overboard. And I probably have gone overboard, but look, it's just in the interest of showing you guys what we can do. Grand. Now let's go back out and take a quick look at what we've done. Cool. And I think what I might do is I might go back in again and just paint in 1 or 2 small areas here, just a little tiny bit brighter. With the foreground, I feel it's a little bit much about the sky at the moment. I want the foreground to pop just a little bit more. And plus, if we've darkened the sky and made it more dramatic, because this is a reflection, by rights we should go back in and increase our brightness and darkness in our reflection just a little bit as well, to reflect, not pun intended, what's going on and what we've done in the sky. And I think I'm pretty much up to about 5 minutes there now, or thereabouts. So that's it, guys. That's our quick 5-minute edit for today, on a picture that is probably about 13, 15, 16 years old. Thanks very much for tuning in. Take it easy. Bye bye.